Screen is visible to all of you now. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, students? Thumbs up. Okay. Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a very interesting topic. So we will revise something. I will check your previous knowledge, what you have learned previously. So screen is visible to all of you, and I am visible to all of you. Thumbs up. Okay. See this. What is this, a student? This is what? Raise your hand, then I will unmute you. What is this? Sifa, Sheikh, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Miss, positive and negative number.
I'm asking this. What is this?
Observe how two numbers 07 and 65 are marked on the number line.
Any other student can tell me the answer of this? I have unmuted you.
Miss, you can tell me again. I have joined now.
What? What? Okay. I'm repeating this. See? What is this? This is called number line. This is called what? Number line. Got it, student? Venkat? Unmute yourself. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What is this? Just I have
Number
told you.
line.
Very good. This is a number line. And see here, what is written here? Observe how the number 0.7 and 6.5 are marked on the number line. Okay. So see here, student, how it is represented 0.7. See here it is 0. Then you will count 1, then 2, then it is 3, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, then it is 0.7. Got it, student? How we will count this? 0, 0.1. First one is 0.1. Second hash is 0.2. Who is doing? Okay. So see here. How we will count this? Once again, I'm repeating here 0. This is 0.1. This is 0.2. This one is 0.3. This one is 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, and 0.7. Got it, student? Then thumbs up. After 0, what will come? 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Okay. Now see 0.8, 0.9, and 10. This is 0.10, that is nothing but 1. Okay, got it? After 1, how we will count this? 1.1, 1.2, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, 1. In this way, you will continue till here. Here, this bigger hash will show you 1.5. From 1.5 to here, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9, and here 1.10 means 1.10. That is nothing but 2. Okay, got it? How we will count this? Okay, very good. Then similarly, you will count 6.5. See here, here it is 6. Then what you will count here? 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, 6.4, and here it is 6.5. All of you getting this thing? How you will show the number on number line? As you have read this in earlier classes also. So once again, I have repeated this. Now see 3.5, 0.8. First, how you will represent 3.5? Raise your hand, any of the student, and tell me the answer. How you will represent 3.5? Lakshmi, you have raised your hand. Tell me the answer. Lakshmi, you can unmute yourself. Then tell me the answer. How you will
First, you have
represent?
to count from first. You have to count from 3. You have to count from 3 5 minutes for like that 0.5.
Very good, Lakshmi. How we will do this? 3, then 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, and here it is 3.5. Okay. Now mute yourself. Okay. See here, this is 0.8. Raise your hand, any of you? Raise your hand. Asutosh. Asutosh, you tell me. No. Okay. See. Lakshmi, once again, tell me the answer of this. You have raised your hand. How you will show this?
0.8.
0.8.
0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8.
Got it, student? Everyone got it this?
Yes.
Mute yourself. Then read the third one. What is written here? 1.9. 1.9. Aditya, unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Miss, it will be 1.
Yes, yes.
1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, and 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, 1.9.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Before 2, the hash is for 1.9. Very good, student. Mute yourself. Now we will start our today's class with the presentation part. If there are more digits in the number, wait a minute, I will admit them, then I will explain you. See, if there are more digits in the numerator means what? Which is on the top. Okay, in fraction, which is in the top is called numerator. If there are more digits in the numerator than zeros in the denominator, then counts as many digits from the right as the number of zeros. Okay, place the decimal point before those digits. See how we will do this? See, now I'm again repeating this statement. If there are more digits in the numerator, what is here? This is a fraction, 723 divided by 10. Okay, 723 divided by 10. Okay, so here, if there are more digits, if there are more digits in the numerator, you can see here, this is numerator and this is denominator. In denominator, two digits are only two digits. Got it, student? How many digits? Show your hand. Two digits. Very good. And in numerator, how many digits? How many digits are here? Three digits. Very good, Venkat. So see here, you can see in numerator more digits are there and in denominator less digits are there. Okay, then count as many digits from the right. What you will do? See what I have done here. From here, see, count as many digits from the right. This is your right. One. How many zeros are here? 1 0. In denominator, 1 0. So at the top, you will count one number and then you place the decimal. Here, after 1, only 1 0 is here. So I have put it here after one number decimal point. You will count from right and you will put the decimal. Got it, student? See how we will do here. 10 is here, means 1 0. What you will do here? You will do the same as here. You will put the decimal point. Got it? Okay. Now for this question, what you will do? See here. You can observe here more digits are in numerator than in denominator. In denominator, how many digits are here? 1, 2, 3. But in numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in numerator, more number of digits are here. Got it, student? Thumbs up. Okay. So here also, what you will do, you will see the number of zero after 1. So after 1, how many zeros are given? After 1, 2 zeros are given. 2 zeros, very good. So you will move from right. Here, see. This is 1, this is 2. So you will move 2 place and you will put the decimal over here. So what I have done? 512.50 is your answer. Got it, student? Now, this one is your third question. See, how many numbers are in numerator and how many numbers are in denominator? See, Raise your hand, any of you. Alok, unmute yourself and then answer. Alok,
Yes.
in numerator, how many numbers are given?
4.
1, 2, 3, and 4. In denominator, how many are given?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Then what you will do here? You will count the number of zeros after 1. 1, 2, 3. So from right, you will move one place. This is second place and this is third place. And you will put decimal over here. Got it, everyone?
Yes,
You are
miss.
getting, then thumbs up. Okay, very good, students. Mute yourself, Alok. If there are as many digits in the numerator as zeros in the denominator, see here, place the decimal point before the number in the numerator and a 0 in the integer's place. See, what we will do, we will understand with the help of this example. So, see, at the top, in numerator, only 7 is here, and in denominator, 1, 2, 2 digits are here. But when you will count the number of zeros, what you will get? 1 0 is in denominator and one number is at the numerator. Getting it, student? 1 0 is in numerator and at the one number is at numerator, that is 7. One number is in numerator now, and if you will observe denominator, then only 1 0 is here. So you will move one place. According to the number of zeros, you will move the place. So you have to move only one place. So you will put decimal over here. So I have put it here, decimal, and here after one number I have put a decimal and then I have written 0. For you will do like the same. So your question will be solved in this manner. See, next question. How many digits of number in numerator and how many zeros are in denominator? Raise your hand, any of you? Any of you? Okay, very good. 3 student has raised their hand. Seema?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me how many numbers are given in
Ma'am, in
numerator?
numerator there are two numbers.
Very good. Two
Two
numbers are
numbers.
there. How
And
many?
in denominator.
How many
And in
zeros?
denominator given 3 numbers.
I'm asking zeros. How many
2 zeros are.
Very good. So you will move two place. 2 zeros are given here. So you will move first and second. So you will move from right to place and you will put decimal over here and then in front of that you will write 0. Got it, everyone? Got it? Yeah. So as the number of zeros are given in denominator, you will move from the right that many place, then you will put the decimal over there and in front of the decimal you will write 0. Okay. See here. See here 725 upon 1000. So how many digits are here? You can see here 3 digits are given, 1 2, 3 zeros are given, 1, 2, 3. So you will move 1, 2, 3 place, then you will put decimal point, then you will put zeros over here. See a student, this question, how we will solve this? 8 divided by 100. So 2 zeros are given here after 1. So you will put in front of 8 one more 0. So as the number of 0 in denominator are 2. So in numerator also 2 numbers are here. So it will be easy to solve you. 1, 2 zeros are here. So you will move 1 place, 2 place, and you will put decimal over here, then in front of that 0. In the same way, you will do here also. Here it is 8, one number is given, and here after 1, 3 zeros are given. So you will make this as 3 digit. So I have put it in front of it 0, 0, means 2 0, I have put it to make it equivalent to the number of zeros given in the denominator. So 1, 2, 3 0 are given. So 1 place, 2 place, and 3 place I have moved. Then I have put a decimal over here, then in front of that 0. So now see, converting a decimal fraction into a common fraction, how we will do this? You will write number as it is, ignoring the decimal point, and then you will put 1, you will write in denominator, and then you will count after decimal how many numbers are given. After decimal here, 1 number is given, so you will put 1 0 over here. In second case question, you can see 0.04. So what you will do, you will ignore the decimal and you will write the question as it is 004, as I have written 004. So, and after that, what you will do, after decimal, you will count how many numbers are given. So 1, 2 number are given. So after 1, I have put it 2 zeros. Now this is your practice set 15. This is your first question. See a student, what I have done over here. Here, this is your question, 3 upon 5 equals to 3 upon 5. What you will fill in these boxes, so you will get 10. So if in front 5 multiplied by 2, if you will write, then you will get 10. 3 multiplied by 2, you will get here 6. Whatever the number you are writing here, you will write the same number over here also. Got it, a student? Got it, everyone? Okay, so it has become 6 upon 10 equals to, then what I have taught you, after 1 0 is here, so you will move 1 place. I have moved here 1 place, then I have put a decimal over here, then it is 0. Got it, everyone? Very good. This one is your second question. So in this question, what you will do, see, 25, here it is box, you have to fill the number. 8 into 125, you are getting 1000. So what you will write here, the number which is given in denominator, same number you will write in numerator. So you will multiply this 25 by 125. Okay, students. So I have written here 25 multiplied by 125. What you will get? 25 multiplied by 125, you are getting 3125. When you will multiply 8 into 125, as it is given here, that is 1000. So it is 1000 here. After 1, 3 zeros are given. So you will move 1 place, 2 place, and 3 place. So I have moved here 1 place, 2 place, and 3 place, and I have put it decimal over here. Got it, a student? Then thumbs up. See, any one of you raise your hand. I will ask the answer of this question to you. Okay. Jignesh, unmute yourself. Jignesh.
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Tell me the answer of this. This is your question. 21 divided by 2 equals to 21 multiplied. Here it is box. You have to fill the number. Here it is box. You have to fill the number. See, Jignesh. Here it is 10. Here it is 10. So what you will write here? What will multiply? What you will multiply by 2 to get 10? What you will multiply by 2 to get 10?
2.
2 multiply by what to get 10? What you will do? Lakshmi, unmute yourself and tell me. Lakshmi,
Yes, miss.
what you will write here?
Now for we have to multiply 2 by 5 to get the answer, get the product 10. And
Yeah.
because we are multiplying 2 with 5, we are multiplying 1 with 5.
Very good. Very good. Lakshmi. Very good. Very good. Means you are observing the lesson carefully. Good. Mute yourself. See, if you will multiply 21 by 5, here first you see 2 multiplied by 5, you are getting here 10. So with the same number as you have written here 5 in numerator, then you will write in denominator as you will write 5. In numerator also you will write 5. Okay. 21 multiplied by 5, what you are getting here? 105, and 5 into 2, that is 10. So here after 1 0 is here, so you will move one place. 10.5 you are getting the answer. For this question, what you will do? We will do the same. 3 upon 4. What you will do to get 100? So you will multiply this 4 by 25. As I have multiplied in denominator by 25, in numerator also I will multiply by 25. So 25 into 3, that is 75. 25 into 4, that is 100. So after 1, 2 numbers are given. So you will move 2 place. And then you will put the decimal over here. In front of that, you will write 0. Got it, everyone? Okay. In the same way, we will do here also. 5 multiplied by 2. What you will get? In this question, 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. 4 multiplied by 2, that is 8. You have to convert the denominator in 10, 100, 1000 form. Okay. So for converting it into tens form, I have multiplied 5 by this 2. So 5 into 2, that is 10. 4 into 2, that is 8. So 1 0 is given after 1. So you will move one place of decimal, 0.8. In the same way, you will solve this question also. If you will multiply this 8 by 125, you will get 1000. You have to convert the number in tens form, hundreds form, or 1000 form. So you will think about that by what number I will multiply the given number in denominator to get tens form, tens, hundreds, thousands form. So I have multiplied here 8 by 125, I have got 1000. So by the same number, I have multiplied this 9. 9 into 125, you are getting 1125. After 1, 3 zeros are given. So you will move 3 place, 1 place, 2 place, and 3 place. 1.125, you are getting the answer. This is the third question. How we will solve this? 27.5. As what is given over here, see, convert the decimal fraction into common fraction. Means you have to convert it into the form of common fraction. Means 5 by 2, 3 by 2. In this